Hi friends, myself Lipin. Today I am going to explain about mutual fund versus stock market. So most of the people are aware like what is mutual fund and what is stock market. So today I am going to explain the difference between mutual fund and stock market and what are the earnings capacity of mutual fund and stock market. So kindly watch this video completely to understand so that you will be getting better idea about the investment. So kindly watch completely to understand how mutual fund is functioning and how stock market is functioning. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon. So when we heard about mutual fund, what is the first thing will come to our mind? So the first thing will come to our mind is mutual funds. Mutual fund investment are subject to market risk. So this is the first thing they will tell you when you are investing in a mutual fund. So we know like there is every investment there is a risk. So if you are if you are investor, if you are ready to take an risk, why we have to invest in a mutual fund? So that is the first thing we have to keep in mind. And they will say read all the documents carefully. So before if you are investing in a mutual fund, we should know there is a market risk and we have to read all the documents carefully. And if you are investing in a stock market, there is nothing you have to read because you are going to invest directly. But when you are investing in a mutual fund, someone will be investing instead of you. You will be giving the money to a broker and the broker will be investing for like which are the broker, like you can see like a lot of mutual funds are there, like HDFC we have Access Bank, we have Reliance. So a lot of brokers will be there. You will be investing on those companies and those companies will be investing on mutual funds and they will be giving you returns. Like how much returns they are going to give? They will be giving you 10%, sometimes they will be giving you 20% after 5 years or 10 years. So that is the maximum returns you can get in mutual fund. And you can and I will show you like some of the best mutual fund currently. So these are the 5 mutual fund, like these are the some of the few mutual fund. Okay, the last 5 years return you can see. So the 20% they are given, even Reliance also has given 21%. So this is the maximum percentage they have given after 5 years. So you have to keep in mind after 5 years you are going to get 20% or 15%. So 15% you can calculate. So if you deposit your amount in a bank, how much they will give you? They will give you around 7 to 8%. So that you have to keep in mind. So if you are investing in a mutual fund, the maximum earning capacity is 20% or 15%. So this is the maximum capacity. So you have to keep in mind. So these are some of the best mutual fund returns for the last 5 years. So the best is Mirage Asset and they are given 22%, and Canara Bank has given 21%, and SBI has given 24% and Reliance has given 21%. So this is the last 5 years returns of mutual fund. And let us compare the same thing with a stock market, how the stock market is going to function. And you have to keep in mind that when you are investing in a stock market or mutual fund, there is a risk. Risk is always there, and based on your risk will be rewarded. So if you are investing in a mutual fund, you are not going to do anything. The mutual companies, like whichever the companies you have deposited the amount, they will be investing you instead of you. So you will not be having any risk, and you will be thinking like okay, after 5 years or 10 years they will be giving you 20% or 15%. So you have to take that amount. So the risk level is coming down. So when you are investing in a mutual fund, sorry, in a stock market, the risks are there because we are going to invest directly. And I will show you like what are the returns we will be getting. And let us see a mutual fund, okay, because I have even invested a mutual fund. Like you can see the HDFC mutual fund I have invested from last 2 years. And what is my return? See, currently if you see, there is 4,600 rupees loss. So after all the 2 years, and now what is my earning is 4,000, almost 11% is loss now. After 2 years, I am not getting any return. I am in a loss. So you have to think like where I have to invest. So if the mutual funds are safe or not. So if you see my investment after 2 years, my investment is only out of 42,000 I invested, and right now it is only 37,000. So almost 5,000 rupees is gone. So there's a growth level is very less. After 2 years also the growth level is 11% down, and we are not going to get any profit as of now. And they will say like the mutual fund brokers will say there is a corona issues or there is a lot of economical problems. That is the reason it is not growing. So let us see compare with the same thing. Let us compare with stock market. So let us take some of the few stocks. Okay. So I am going to show you like as of now you know, like whenever we are investing in a stock market, we have to identify like which are the stocks are performing well. So always health industry is one of the best thing. It will be performing every time, because there is a lot of issues like coronas, or every year there will be some diseases. So the healthcare industry just can grow such a way. The same way food industries is a very common thing. It can grow such a way. The same way communications, like right now we have competition between Reliance and Bharati Airtel. So these are the major factors, like we have to identify based on the situations, like which are the industries can grow. So where we have to invest. So first thing, let us see Reliance. So I will explain you based on a graph. Okay, this is Reliance Industries. You can see yearly, let us see the yearly performance. Okay, so this is the yearly performance, and you can see like 2017 the price was only 500 rupees. And what is the price currently? Now the price is almost 1700 rupees. So almost 200 rupees, 1200 rupees growth. It means it has grown more than 300% from 2 years. So if you would have invested your 2000 rupees, like whatever investment, like because I have done a 2000 rupees like per month investment. So that investment you would have done in a Reliance, and what is my profit now? So the average you can take as a 1000 rupees, and you can see like 1000 rupees I can buy 2 shares. So almost for 41 times I have invested now, because now my investment is 42,000. So almost 21 times I have invested. So 21 times, just imagine if you are getting 700 rupees into almost 10,000 take as a profit. So you are getting 25% within 2 years. So always take a best companies where we can invest. So just you can calculate like, okay, based on like, because the price was 500 rupees and in between it was like 1000 rupees in 2018. So average you can take as a 1000 rupees, maximum 1000 or 1200 rupees if you take also, you can get a 10,000 rupees profit. So almost 25% you are getting within 2 years. So the risks are there. So you are going to take a risk, and the risk is rewarded. So if you are investing in a mutual fund or Reliance also, they will not be giving you within 2 years, they will not be giving you 25%. So that you have to keep, because their best return is 21% after 5 years. So instead of investing in a mutual fund, let us invest in a stock, like which are the stock, we have to identify which are the stock. But let us see some more stock also. I will show you few more stock also. Let us see Bharati Airtel also same way. Okay, let us see how the performance of telecom industries. So this is another stock. And let us see what is the performance of 2017. Here you can see 2017 the price was only 300 rupees. And now see how much is gone. There was corona issues or a lot of issues. Still the industry is growing. You can see now the price is there in 52-week high. The price is almost 600 rupees. So almost double now. So if you would have invested there, your capital would have been now more than 50% or almost 100% is grown. So that is the reason I am telling, like when you are investing in a mutual fund, should think twice before investing. So mutual funds are always there, risk are there, but return also you have to see how much return they are going to give. They are not going to give you more than 25% or 20%. So like if you are investing in a good mutual fund, they will be giving you maximum 20 to 20%, 15 to 20%. So if you are investing in a stock market, you can make more than 50% or 30 to 40% within 2 years. That you have to keep in mind. Okay, let us see healthcare industries also. Let us see few of the healthcare industries also. Let us see DBS Lab. Okay, let me show you how it is working out. So here you can see what is the performance of 2017. So only I am seeing only for the 2 years, okay, last 2 years. And you can see the price was only 750. And let us see now what is the price. Here you can see almost 2500. It means almost 200 rupees growth, sorry, almost 2000 rupees growth. So you would have invested 10,000 or whatever may be the investment, would have become triple now. So that you have to keep in mind. Okay, let us see some more example, like all the healthcare industries. Right now the major scope is in healthcare industries. We have food or we have food industries, we have telecom industries. So we have to identify. Let us see a food industries also. This is a Jewel Food. Okay, this is a food industry. and we can see like what is performance of food industry. Let us see from 2017. Okay, so the price was only 500. Now what is the rate? Now it is 1700. So almost 300% growth. So almost triple the capital. So always take a, whenever you are investing in a mutual fund, and you see my investment now. What is my investment? I invested 42,000, and what is my growth? Now it is only 37,000, because there is no growth in my mutual fund. Or like whatever the SIP I have done, there is no growth. If I would have invested in any of the good companies, I would have got now more than 30 to 40% growth. But whereas here I am getting only 10% loss. So take a wise decision. Like if you are an investor, or if you are a mutual fund investor, think once before you are investing. There are always risk. Market is always risk. Risk are there always in the market. You can ask mutual fund people are telling like there is a lot of risk in the market. You will read. You have to read all the documents. You have to read all the documents carefully. But when you are investing in a stock market, you are investing. You are taking a risk directly and not required to read any documents. Think once where you are going to invest. That is the best thing you have to do. Like if you are investing in a mutual fund, also you have to think. So if you are investing in a stock market or mutual fund, you have to think once where you are going to invest. So if you want a good returns, think once where you are going to invest. Based on that, you have to take and invest. If you are investing in a mutual fund, if you are investing in a good firm also, you know how much return they are going to give. So divide, like if you are going to invest in a mutual fund, divide the same thing, like okay, I am going to invest in stock market, and identify 2 to 3 companies at a time. Like one healthcare industries, one medical healthcare industries, one food industries, one telecom industries, like that, which are the companies can grow in future. Take a risk and invest there. So that can give you good returns better than mutual fund. So think once and invest. So I think this topic is very clear, and this is one of the most important topic. Every investor must know this topic. So kindly watch completely to understand how things are working out. So hope this topic is very clear. So if you interested in my videos, kindly like my videos, and subscribe my channel also. Enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification. So thanks for watching.